Nope. Hey guys, this is West Potomac High School. I'm Mr. Fabian, and there's Miss Motzi, and we have Miss Wilson, and Mr. Chavers is video production in the background, and Dr. Zami provided all the supplies. So this is a full geosystems experiment. We're working on lesson 2, greenhouse gases and ozone. So it should look something like this. So we've read the background information, now we're gonna flip the page, and we're going to look at the experimental design. In this experiment, students will construct 2 models, one with the natural greenhouse effect and another with an amplified greenhouse effect. And actually we're going to have 3 models as you can see, we have 3 different flasks. So let's read what the question is. Does the concentration of carbon dioxide affect the air temperature in a closed environment? So right now I want you to think about a hypothesis for this question. And we also need to have an independent and dependent variable for this experiment. So for our independent variable, we're going to have the alka seltzer that's going to produce the carbon dioxide, and the dependent is going to be the temperature. Is the temperature going to change? Yes or no? How much will it change if it does change? So that is what your hypothesis should surround. And remember, it should be an if-then statement. So we have our supplies, we have our light, we have our 3 flasks, and now what we're going to do is we're going to put the thermometers next to each flask so that when we put the Alka-Seltzer on, we can start timing it. Our initial temperature for each of the air temperatures currently is around 22 degrees Celsius. 22 degrees Celsius and 22 degrees Celsius. So, if I can have Ms. Wilson start opening those packets, we're going to, when we put the Alka-Seltzer in, we'll turn the light, and then we're going to wait for 20 minutes to see if there's any temperature change. Every 2 minutes, we will record and tell you the temperature because you won't be able to see it.
So the initial temp is?
23 degrees Celsius now.
Alright, so make sure you're recording on your data table that the initial temperature for the 0 Alka-Seltzers, 4 Alka-Seltzer tablets, and 8 Alka-Seltzer tablets is all 23 degrees Celsius.
Alright, so we're gonna turn the light. That'll be kind of our sunlight. We're gonna put the 4 in this one and the 8 in this one.
Do you have a timer?
And I have a timer.
Okay.
So we're gonna start putting them in. They don't fit, that's great. Alright, well that's not what I was expecting. So we're gonna go ahead and put we need a bigger flask.
Yeah. Cut!
That would be great.